Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to create this Arab-inspired makeup look step by step. Please leave your questions below if there is anything else that you need clarification on. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I had so much fun making this look, and I'm actually interested to see if you guys will try this at home. So if you do, leave a comment below and let me know. Without further ado, let's get started. أهلا وسهلا، رمضان مبارك. اليوم أنا بدي أعمل ميك اب عربي عشان العيد جاي، وعشان أنا بحب كتير الميك اب عربي. وبدي أحكي لكم إشي عني. أنا كنت ساكن بعمان الأردن ل3 سنين، وجوزي أردني كمان. أنا بحب كتير الأكل، الناس، الكولتشر من هناك، كل إشي كتير حلو. بس اليوم رح نحكي عن ميك اب، إن شاء الله انتو تحبوها كتير، ويلا نبدأ. First, I'm going to begin by prepping my face. I'm going to start with the MintPear Fresh Toner, which is cucumber and witch hazel. The next step is going to be using the collagen serum. Next step is going to be the vitamin-rich daily moisturizer. The next step is the under eye cream. Today's primer is going to be Photo Finish by Smashbox. I'm going to take just a pea-sized amount of this and pat this over my entire face. On top of my primer, I'm going to take a couple drops of the MintPear Rosehip Oil. And just pat this on top of the primer. And now my face is completely prepped and ready for the makeup application. Today's foundation is going to be by Laura Mercier. I'm using the Flawless Fusion, and I'm using shade Ecru. I'm going to take the MintPear Flat Top Kabuki, and I'm going to apply a couple pumps onto here. And I'm going to start in the center of my face and just blend this out. Today's concealer is going to be by Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. I'm going to set everything in place with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take the large powder brush from the Trio from MintPear. I do want to do a little bit of contouring, so I'm going to take the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit And in here I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the more ash shade out of the set, and I'm just going to contour just a little bit. I'm also going to take a soften and smudge with that same shade to contour right down my nose. And with the angled flat precision, which is like a mini kabuki, I'm just going to blend that out. And with the large kabuki, I'm just going to blend out the facial contour. And I'm going to take the It Cosmetics Brow Power and just draw a line underneath. And really accentuate the end of my brow. For the front of the brow, I'm going to draw little mimic hair strokes. And with the Gimme Brow from Benefit, I'm just going to brush my brows up and set them in place. I'm going to prep my eyelids with the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. I forgot blush and highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to use the Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush. I'm going to warm up with the bronzer right here. And for blush, I'm going to take this Coral and just go right on my cheekbones. For highlighter, using the same kit, I'm just going to take the crease blend and go right on top of my cheekbone. And right over my nose. Right in the center of my eye. For today's look, I'm going to use a few different eyeshadow palettes just to really achieve that perfect look that I'm going for. Starting with the Tarteist Pro palette, I'm going to reach in and take a transition shade. I'm going to go for Bold and use this as my transition shade in the crease. Now on top of that transition shade, I'm going to take No Filter, just a little tiny bit, and go right into my crease. And bring that all the way with the windshield wiper motions, inward and outward. So blending in No Filter. Once that's all blended in, now I'm going to cut the crease with a little bit of concealer. The same concealer that I used. I only need a tiny little bit. Now I'm going to reach into, which one do I want? The Tarteist Pro Remix palette. And I am going to take with a stiff shader, I'm going to grab this bottom one here, Moonlit, and go right over that concealer. Now I'm going to add a little bit more there, but before I get to that part, I'm going to finish off this outer corner of my eye. So I'm jumping back to the Tarteist Pro palette, the original one we started with, and I'm going to keep this brush separate. This is the light stiff shader, and I'm going to reach for a different stiff shader. And in this palette, I'm going to take No Filter again, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my lid right here. Just blending this into that corner in my crease. To even darken that up just a little bit more, I'm going to reach in and do Vamp, which is right next to No Filter. Right on the bottom lash line. With the Soften and Smudge, I'm going to take that No Filter and go right underneath my lash line. And kind of winging out that line at the end. Now on top of the gold right here, I'm going to reach into the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced, and I am going to get the Fluent in Diamonds right here. And this is going to give me that nice metallic effect, and I have to be super careful with the placement to keep this on that gold shade right there. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side. Now I'm going to line my inner bottom waterline with the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner. Now, one of the most important part about achieving that beautiful Arabi makeup is the eyeliner. Today I'm using the Tattoo Eyeliner by Kat Von D. This is in Trooper Black. And I'm gonna connect that to my bottom lash line. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes. For mascara today, I'm using Lancome de Fenicil in Noir, I think. And for lashes today, I'm going to apply the Ardell Wispies 113 Black with the Duo Glue. And now that my lashes are on, we're going to move on to lips. And today I'm going to line with the Whirl by MAC lip liner. Now on top of that, I'm going to apply the Cream Cup by MAC, which is 203. And I'm going to go over that with the Boho by Morphe. This is a beautiful lip gloss. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. And this is the final completed look. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you did learn a thing or two. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you do know when new videos are live on my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I love seeing your comments below. I'm so excited to respond to those. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Salam.